Why does Beyonce forbid Blue Ivy from making a sound? This might be the biggest difference between her and Kim Kardashian. Every time Beyonce holds a concert, Blue Ivy will stand on the stage and dance. She has confident movements and calm expressions, and almost never makes a mistake. But have you noticed that she has never opened her mouth to say a single word? Even when the spotlight is on her face and all the audience is watching, she remains silent. Some people say that Beyonce is controlling her daughter, but the truth is that she is protecting Blue Ivy. As Beyonce's daughter, every move of hers will be magnified infinitely and even be criticized by public opinion. And Beyonce chooses to give her the safest growing environment, allowing her to exercise her courage on the stage and practice self-discipline through silence. In contrast, whether it's the Met Gala or various hot topics on social media, Kim Kardashian never shies away from letting Northwest appear in front of the camera. Although she has been criticized by netizens many times, Kim Kardashian still frequently exposes her